It is the least litigated civil right in the Constitution.
What is the Third Amendment?
Hey there, curious minds. How well do you know the U.S. Constitution? Think you've got all those amendments memorized? Well, get ready to be mind blown because today we're diving into the crazy Third Amendment that you probably forgot all about.
Let's start with a quick refresher. The Third Amendment is often the forgotten child of the Constitution, overshadowed by its more famous siblings like the First and Second Amendments. But trust me, this little gem has some fascinating history behind it.
Why is it that the Third Amendment gets pushed to the back burner? Well, it's probably because it's not as flashy or controversial as some of the others. This amendment, born out of the Founding Fathers' desire to prevent the quartering of soldiers in private homes, doesn't always make it into the spotlight. But hey, that doesn't mean it's any less important.
During the colonial period, when Britain conducted military operations in North America, their soldiers needed to be housed. The costs were borne by the American colonies. Often soldiers would be quartered in private homes. This ruffled a home folk's feathers as early as 1676. The colonies were forced to quarter a standing army during war and in peacetime.
The quartering of troops was listed twice in the grievances that were included in the Declaration of Independence. The Third Amendment aimed to put an end to this intrusive practice and protect citizens from unwanted military presence. Fast forward to today, and the Third Amendment may seem outdated, but its principles of privacy and protection are still relevant in our modern world.
In the next segment, we will reveal the first citation of the Third Amendment in a court case. If you are enjoying or have learned from this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you.
Now, here's the juicy part. A quirky example of the Third Amendment in action. Ever heard of the case of Emblem v. Carey? Picture this. New York prison guards in 1980 to invoke the Third Amendment to protest against being forced to house state troopers during a labor strike. Yup, you heard that right. The Third Amendment making a star appearance in a modern-day legal battle 190 years after it took effect.
In a nutshell, the Third Amendment may not grab headlines, but its message of safeguarding personal space and liberty is timeless. So next time you're brushing up on your constitutional knowledge, don't skip over this hidden gem. Remember, every amendment counts.
What are your thoughts on the Third Amendment? Drop a comment below and let's spark a discussion. And if you're hungry for more information about your constitutional rights, watch this next and check out our bite-sized videos in the Know Your Rights playlist. Hit that subscribe star for more on this fascinating world of constitutional rights. Y'all come back now, you hear?